So here's a new listing by the fabulous agent team, Jen and Gary Meek. This house is in good shape. New flooring, new paint. Looks like the appliances have been updated. This thing is move-in ready. So let's talk about some numbers. If you had 10% down of the $499, come into this house, you get a 90% loan. Your principal and interest payment at 7% would be almost $3,000 a month. You add in taxes, insurance, and private mortgage insurance, and your housing obligations is almost $4,000 a month. But what if you had a rich uncle? So what if you had a rich uncle that would come in and give you an extra 10%? So you come in and now you are looking at 20% down. Your loan drops down to just under $400,000. Your rate would drop down hypothetically by about 1%. So your principal and interest payment would drop down to $2,300 versus almost $3,000. You would drop the mortgage insurance, and so between all these adjustments, your housing obligation would drop by 22%. 22%. If you didn't qualify with the 10% down because you had debt to income ratio issues, you dropped it by 22%, would you qualify now? I would say a lot of those who are on the fringe of this market would qualify. So I ran across this program. I got a couple test cases going right now. I haven't closed one yet, but this could be an option for you. Extra 10% down, and in exchange for that, this investor, they take an equity position in their house, in your house. So in other words, they want to share in equity appreciation over the next 5 years. So your opportunity cost is giving up equity over that 5-year period. So there's a lot of details behind it that we'd have to explore. But if you're on the fringe and you want to buy a house, you're trying to get into the market, but you're just not qualifying because you don't have enough down payment, your debt to income ratio is upside down, this could be a program for you. So if you want to explore the details of this, get a hold of me. I'll put my contact information down below, and we can see if it's an option for you. There is an opportunity cost. You know, these guys are going to make their money. Keep that in mind. For all of the details on this, like I say, just hit me up. All right, thanks.